Welcome to today's video. So, let's talk about a common problem that you might encounter when using C++ in trying to sort objects based on a specific attribute. In this case, we have a person class with various properties like name, age, height, and weight. The problem arises when you want to sort a collection of person objects in descending order based on their age. How can we tackle this issue? Let's find out. Now, let's dive into the solution. Remember the code snippet I showed you earlier? That's right. By using std-ranges, sort with std-ranges greater, we can achieve the desired descending order based on the _age attribute of the person class. This straightforward approach allows us to sort the person's collection effortlessly. Just plug in this code, and you're good to go. Problem solved. In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem of sorting person objects in descending order based on their age using the std-ranges sort function with std-ranges greater. This handy technique provides a clean and efficient solution to our sorting dilemma. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!